Crafting Content Gold, your ultimate guide to YouTube success. Now, for some cutting-edge ideas tailored for beginner YouTubers. Niche exploration videos. Create videos where you explore various niches, discussing their potential for success on YouTube. Share insights on audience demographics, monetization possibilities, and content trends within each niche. Collaboration challenges. Reach out to fellow beginner YouTubers and collaborate on a challenge series. This could involve weekly challenges where you both attempt different types of content creation, sharing your experiences and learnings with your audiences. Behind-the-scenes vlogs. Offer viewers a glimpse into your journey as a beginner YouTuber. Document your filming process, editing struggles, and even the emotional highs and lows of growing your channel. Authenticity often resonates with audiences. Interactive Q&A sessions. Host live Q&A sessions or create dedicated videos where you answer questions from your audience about starting and growing a YouTube channel. This fosters engagement and builds a sense of community around your channel. Trend analysis and predictions. Keep your audience informed about the latest trends and changes happening on YouTube. Analyze algorithm updates, new features, and emerging content formats. Providing actionable insights can position you as an authority in the YouTube space. Resource recommendations. Share your favorite tools, software, and resources for content creation. This could include editing software, camera equipment, graphic design tools, or even productivity apps that have helped you streamline your workflow as a YouTuber. Optimization tutorials. Create step-by-step tutorials on optimizing YouTube videos for maximum visibility. Cover topics such as keyword research, title and thumbnail optimization, video structure, and metadata best practices. Practical tutorials like these are invaluable for beginner YouTubers looking to improve their content strategy. Community challenges. Launch community-wide challenges where your viewers can participate and showcase their creativity. This could be anything from a video editing challenge to a content creation contest centered around a specific theme or topic.